Kate, are you playing with the hand toys with your feet? Are you a silly girl? Are you a silly girl, Kate? Does the hand taste good? Show everybody how you play with your toes. Play with the toys with your toesies. Oh, there you go. Is that so silly, Kate? Is that so silly? Say, I'd rather suck on my hands than play with them. That's what feet are for. Hi, silly girl. Hi, silly. Are you so silly? Yeah? Can you tell us a story?